In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Bankwest online banking password. If you can't remember your password or just need to update it, this walkthrough will take you through the official Bankwest process safely and clearly. Before we start, make sure you're on a private device and have your personal access number, your date of birth, and the email address registered to your account handy. Open your web browser and search for Bankwest. Click the official result for bankwest.com.au. A quick tip: check for the padlock icon in the address bar and the correct web address to make sure you're on the genuine site. On the home page, select Login to go to the online banking sign-in screen. Under the password field, choose Reset Password. This takes you to the secure recovery flow. First, enter your personal access number, sometimes called your PAN. This is the unique number Bankwest uses to identify you, and it's different from your card PIN. Take a moment to type it carefully. Next, enter your date of birth in the format shown on the page. If you see a calendar picker, use it to avoid mistakes. Then enter the email address linked to your account. It needs to be the same one Bankwest has on file, so watch out for typos or old addresses. Click Next and follow the on-screen prompts. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to verify your identity with a one-time code sent to your email or mobile, or to answer security questions. Once verified, you'll be able to create a new password. Choose something strong and unique, ideally at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid reusing passwords from other sites. If anything doesn't look right or you're stuck, select Need Help on the page for guided support options relevant to where you are in the process. And if you'd rather talk to someone or need additional assistance, head to the support section of the Bankwest website and choose Contact Us to see the available channels and hours. That's it. After you reset your password, log in to confirm it works, then sign out if you're on a shared device. Consider storing your new password in a reputable password manager so you won't lose it again. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you reset your Bankwest online banking password with confidence.